In our lives, we will think about getting life insurance to protect our loved ones. And choosing a policy that fits our needs, because everyone's situation is unique, is so important. Joining me today for an in-depth look is Jen Muldoon, Senior Vice President at Sbli, a mutual life insurance company. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thanks for being here. Okay, so getting life insurance, a lot of people don't like to talk about this, but no matter what, it's important, Jen, right?
Absolutely.
And a lot of people think, well, it's too confusing, I can't afford it, it's never going to happen, and that's not the case, is it?
It's not. And I completely hear those concerns. But for those reasons, coupled by the fact that it's so important for people to be able to protect their financial legacy, is really why we're here. So Sbli is a mutual company owned by our policyholders, and that allows us to solely focus on making sure that we are protecting people's financial legacies and making sure that we offer a dependable, easy, and affordable product. We do that by making sure that first people really understand what their policy options are, and then we want customers to buy in a way that's most comfortable to them. That's often speaking live with an agent, but it may be online. In really all that we do, we're aiming to make sure that that experience of life insurance is easy, affordable, simple, low cost.
And those are important words to hear: affordable, simple, and low cost. Because, I mean, everybody thinks, oh, I can't afford it. And you can, and it's just really important to do. Talk to me about some of the policies that you offer, if you don't mind.
Sure. So our most popular product is term life insurance.
Yeah.
And term life insurance is going to be your most affordable option for a fixed period of time. So people will buy a policy, they'll pay a premium over that period of time, and it's for a specific value, usually used to replace income, cover the cost of a mortgage, maybe children's education, whatever it is during that period of time. At Sbli, we leverage our proprietary accelerated underwriting process for policies under $750,000, and that allows you to have a low cost without medical exams or no blood to be drawn.
That's important, because a lot of people think, oh my gosh, they're going to do all these tests and I'm never going to be approved.
Makes it easy, simple, and painless. For our older policyholders, they're often interested in final expense life insurance, and final expense life insurance is designed to cover those final bills or funeral expenses. That's an easy policy for people to buy online if they're interested in. Alternatively, whole life insurance offers valuable permanent coverage. So that means for whenever you should die, that policy will be there for you. And it can build cash value, which can provide valuable financial flexibility to customers during their lifetime.
So there really is something for everyone.
Absolutely. And best to talk to an agent to determine really what is the right option and make sure you get the right level of coverage. Or definitely go online. There's all sorts of tools and calculators that are available.
When would you say is the right time to get life insurance? When you're young, when you have a family? What do you say?
So oftentimes, right, we always hear earlier the better. And that is true from a perspective that in those early ages, you can often lock in a lower price. But we can't roll back time.
Right.
So really best
So it's never too late.
Never too late. Really, definitely always worth a conversation to protect your financial legacy.
I was reading here, and I love fun facts about companies. It's been around for more than 100 years, which is amazing. And it was founded by a Supreme Court justice?
It was.
Fill me in.
Absolutely. So back in 1907, Supreme Court Justice Louis Brandeis founded Sbli. He also fundamentally changed the way that life insurance would operate to make sure that working class families had access to affordable and dependable coverage. And now 115 years later, Sbli is still here to make sure we continue that legacy and mission. To date, we've covered over 1 million families.
Oh my.
And paid out more than $4 billion in dividends and death benefits. Importantly, around our death benefits too, is that our average claim is paid out within 3 days. And that's really important to our policyholders, that legacy and longevity, because people are often buying insurance wanting to make sure that company will be there for them in the future.
And you know, at the end of the day, and I know it's a tough conversation, it gives you peace of mind. You get it done, you put it in a drawer, and you forget about it.
And that's the most important thing.
For our viewers who'd like more information, where can they go?
Sbli.com.
Sbli.com. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks so much for having me.
Appreciate it. And if you'd like more information, super easy, go to our website, thebalancingAct.com. We'll be right back.